No matter what product you design, one thing is always true. Physical testing is expensive and time-consuming. Anything you can do to improve efficiency and reduce late-phase design changes would be enormously beneficial to your product and your bottom line. Simulia's structural mechanics engineer role was created with these exact needs in mind. With the structural mechanics engineer role, users are able to locate and clean up design data with best-in-class geometry preparation tools without data transfers or emails, build finite element models efficiently by capturing meshing rules, generating geometry abstractions, managing large model assemblies, and generating spot weld and line weld connections by reusing engineering data. Calibrate complex material models from test data easily. Capture realistic physics with broad range of analysis procedures, and then rapidly update simulations to incorporate these design changes, and widely share KPIs and targets on dashboards with stakeholders throughout the design process. The direct business benefits of using Simulia's structural mechanics engineer role are minimizing product weight, thus maximizing efficiency and reducing operating costs, reducing expensive and challenging physical tests through proven predictive virtual tests, and increasing certification confidence in early and detailed design phases. Unlike traditional PLM systems, the 3D Experience platform provides a model-based framework for all departments without any data replications, removing silos, and creating a collaborative environment that fosters faster decision-making and innovation. If you're looking to reduce expensive and challenging physical tests, look no further than Simulia's structural mechanics engineer role.